Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add or customize a footer on your website on Weebly. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm on one of my pages. This is a landing page that I've set up for my website. And as you'll see at the bottom, as you can see, you can remove Weebly branding and customize the footer on your website by subscribing to a plan. Now, other than that, you will have a footer on most themes on Weebly, but without a premium account or an upgraded account, you won't be able to customize it at all. However, there are some things that you might be able to customize. For example, if we go into settings, you can go over into editors, pretty sure, or somewhere here, you can go maybe into SEO. Yeah, if you go into SEO, as you'll see, you can enter footer code right over here for, I don't know, Google Analytics or some other tools you might need, but that is pretty much what you're limited to. Additionally, if your site doesn't have a footer, but if your account is premium, you can go into theme and you can change the theme. Some themes might not have a footer by default, but I'm pretty sure most of them do. So yeah, what you need to do is just search for a theme that fits you best and then modify it to a point with which satisfies you. But other than that, that's really all you need to do. You can edit your HTML and CSS here in the bottom left in your theme settings, which might enable you to edit your footer if you know what you're doing. But since I pretty much don't know what I'm doing, I'm not gonna go ahead and edit the HTMLs. You can edit the header HTML, which should be, well, for the header, of course. You might be able to add a new footer HTML if you wish, which will be able to edit the footer. You can also add custom JavaScript scripts as well as CSS, which can also change the footer, but I don't know how to code in CSS, so I'm not going to do that. But yeah, that's pretty much all you can do. Once you have an upgraded account, just click on the footer from here and you should be set. And that's all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.